So I'm just going to basically paint it. I'm going to try to put them up here so I can have room. I'm going to remove the... I think I did the best I could. Yeah, a little dinosaur onesie.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You guys, we are in the process of cleaning the pool. What's missing, baby?
The duck.
The what?
The duck.
Daddy cleaned it. Oh, the duck. Yeah, the duck that has the chlorine in it. Daddy took it away, but we're gonna put it back. Don't worry. I am gonna stain the deck. My husband has tasked me to do so. So I have to remove everything, all the chairs. I have to remove the rug. I have to clean this part. I have to clean the couch, the cushions. I'm gonna make it look really, really nice before the 4th of July because we're gonna have our annual 4th of July get together with family and friends. Oh, you found your gun? Let's fill it up with water. Come on, let's go. Let's put water in it. Come on, let's go inside. Let's put water in it. All right, you guys, I fixed the toy GUN. Now let's see if it works. Ready? Here you go, booger. Just don't do it to mommy. No! No! Come on, let's go get daddy. Let's go downstairs. Let's go get daddy. Ready? Wait, AJ, wait. Spray daddy. Do it again.
Okay. Send it to me and I'll get it.
What you aiming about? You like it? You want to be sprayed? All right, let's go. Let's go. So I'm just going to basically paint it.
Yep,
Like
you're gonna paint the wood.
paint the wood. That's all I'm doing.
Yep.
I don't need to do anything extra.
Nope, this is
But it-
it's already been mixed.
Okay.
You might have to mix a little bit with the stir sticks that AJ was putting with.
Okay.
This goes on here like this.
All right. Show me what to do.
See, you just crank it up like that.
Okay. Okay.
You might have to mix it up with a stir stick.
A stick.
Mix it
okay.
up, yeah.
Yeah.
There's a stick in the house.
There's a stick in the house. Okay.
And then you pour it into this pan.
Okay. Pour it in your pan. I can open that. Oh, you bought everything. Didn't we
Yeah,
have
it's
those?
everything.
I feel like we have those in the house already.
No.
What do I use? A roller or
The roller. I would use the roller.
the
You have
roller.
to see how it looks better.
Okay.
Start with a roller. If you don't like the roller, use the brush.
Okay.
And this is for oil base or standard.
Okay.
So
And okay.
this is water UV blocking, water resistant.
Alrighty. All right. I'll get started.
No need to you don't have to cut the wood.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, love you.
Love you. You should be doing this, by the way, but okay. We got these chairs off of Facebook Marketplace and they were free. So I'm going to try to put them up here so I can have room. I'm going to remove the fridge as well and I'm going to remove the couch. I'm not going to paint by the pool because I can't remove the little storage. Well, it's not little, it's big storage. I can't remove it. So I'm going to leave this part out and then I'll just do this area right here. this because my husband thinks I can't do it. I just want to prove him wrong that I indeed can do it. And I don't need his help that much. Okay, so we're going to pour it in here. He said to pour it in here. Okay. Oh shit, he's going to be mad. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh, I already messed up. Oh man. Alright, let's go over here. I'm gonna go get the brush. I think I'm just gonna do one run and then come back and do the other one. Alright, you guys. If I mess this up, blame my husband, not me. Okay guys, this is what I have so far. I don't know if I'm liking the color, and also it looks like it's about to rain. The sun just, I don't know, the sun is doing some funny things and I don't want it to rain. If it rains, I would not be happy. But this is where we are. I'm tired. My back is killing me so far. Alright you guys, I got this long sticker thing. Work smarter, not harder. I called my husband and I told him like my back is killing me, and then he got this for me. So we're gonna try this and see if we can move a little bit faster. Okay guys, quick update. The roller broke, like the little wires displaced. So I'm not even gonna try to fix anything. I am gonna use the smaller one. I know it's gonna be counterproductive, but that's what I have. And my back is killing me. So let's go. I'm gonna put on some gloves. Alright, let me show you guys what's happening. I might give it a second coat. I think I'm gonna give it a second coat. Finally out. Finally. I'm never gonna get done. The sun is out again. Drop this in here. I'll go like this, roll it down. I think I want to do this side. I want to give it a coat. Go this way and work my way up. And go back again. Give it another one until it dries up. Okay. Alright. This is what we have so far. Slowly but surely, we will get there. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Let me know what you think. Did I do okay? What do you think? What do you think? Okay. I'm not done yet. I didn't do this part. So around the pool, I have not done yet. And my husband's gonna be so pissed because we hardly have any paint left. Honestly, if you ask me, this should have been a group project. I have no idea why I thought that I could have complete this DIY by myself, because, oh Lord, I'm so tired. It is, the sun keeps coming in and out, and it's hot. It's like 12 o'clock and I can't do this anymore. I was not made for this type of manual labor. So I'm done. I text my husband. I'm like, oh, well, you don't like it, fix it. Pay somebody to fix it, because me right here, I think I did the best I could in this situation. Oh, anyways, you guys, this is what I'm gonna do. When my husband gets home, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to see his reaction. In the meantime, I'm gonna go take a shower, drink some water, eat some grapes, and then take a nap. See you guys later. AJ, what do you think of the deck? Do you like the deck, the color? Do you like the color now? You do? The pool is full, you guys. I'm gonna get a new ladder for the pool. What? What, baby? What is it?
Fire truck.
A fire truck? I don't understand. Hi, Booger. You want the camera? I love you. AJ, come back here, Papa. You gotta come back. Do you like the deck? Mommy gotta put all the chairs. Well, first I have to wash the white chairs over here. Then I have to put them in the gazebo. I have to fix the gazebo. It's not done yet. And then I think I'm gonna get a new rug for the deck. If not, on Facebook Marketplace. I'm not gonna pay for it. I think I'm gonna get it for free. I don't know yet. But I want to get a new rug, or maybe I'll have 2 rugs here. I don't know yet. I'm gonna have this place looking real nice. I still have this part to do, and then I still have this part around the pool to do in due time. All right, you guys, and this is the outfit for today. We got biker shorts, and we got long shirts. Can you tell them your outfit for today? Yeah, a little dinosaur onesie. AJ, you want to tell them your outfit for today? AJ is wearing all blue and white. Right, Papa? Everything is blue and white on you? Okay, guys, this is the outdoor furniture. I'm currently washing the cushions. I don't know if you guys can see. The cushions are up there. They're all washed, just drying right now. So I'm also gonna get some flowers. I'm gonna put some flowers right over here. I'm gonna paint this section today. I'm just waiting for the sun to set, so I'll do it like around 5-6 o'clock. Over here I'm gonna add about 4 to 5 plants as well. I'm gonna add a big plant right over here, and I'm gonna add some chairs here and a little area for the kids to play. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this area yet. I know I'm gonna clean it, but I just don't know what to do with it yet. And the gates I have to clean little by little. I need a tent. Honestly, you guys, I am so tired of my house feeling like a house more than a home. So I have taken it upon myself to start some DIY projects. Now with that, I don't want to spend a lot of money. Okay, so thank you to Facebook Marketplace because that's where I've been getting my furnitures for free. I just wanted to add that in there. Anyways, so I don't know why I started with the outdoor deck, but I did. We gotta start somewhere. I have to start somewhere. So it's almost done. I just need to add some flowers. I'm gonna get some flowers today or tomorrow, and then I'll show you guys a picture, and then I'll update you guys. So definitely subscribe to my channel to get an update on that. And I'm gonna move on to the dining room. So with the dining room, I am going to get coffee stand because we spend too much on coffee daily. It's not happening. We need to get our own coffee stuff and make our own coffee. And then with the house itself, I want to have like I check on Mixtiles, and it's just way too much money. Mixtile, if you're watching this video, definitely sponsor me, like duh. But with Facebook Marketplace, I can definitely, in Facebook Marketplace, there's like people selling like, you know, picture frames for like 50 cents, $1. Some of them are free. Definitely gonna catch that sale when I see them. And then the entire house, we are a family of 6. So I'm gonna have pictures of all of our 4 kids spread out in the house. I don't know why I don't have that. Like, I feel like not having pictures of all 4 kids, it doesn't seem like a home. I feel like that's what I'm missing. That's what we're missing. We're missing pictures of all the kids. Like, we've been to so many places. We've done so many things, and yeah, it has to be like, we are a family. Even if we're missing 1 person there, 2 person, you know, we are a family. So the living room is just gonna stay as is. There's nothing I can do about this living room. But anyways, you guys, I yap way too much. So let's get started on the video.